Hi students, today I am going to teach you about introduction to history. This is first lesson, okay? Listen clearly students, okay? First one, I say you about introduction. This lesson introduces the meaning of history. The issues of history have been explained, the sources employed in the formulation of history are also listed. The contributions by the Europeans in the constructions of the history of India have been identified. Same, totally, whichever competencies is there are there in the introduction to history. First one, creation of the concept of history. Second one, know the significance of history. Third one, understand the role of sources in history. Fourth one, recall the contributions of some Europeans to Indian history. Okay, see, what is history? Who is know? Anybody? Nobody know. What is a history? What is meaning of history? Same, history means simple is there. Okay, history means simple is there. History means the systematic presentation. Okay, understand now, all of you? The systematic presentation of past events, is called history. This much only. Okay, very simple is there. What is a history? History is the systematic presentation of past events. It is called. Okay. Next, it introduces the journey of human beings. Introduce the journey of human beings. It tells the failures and sources of humans in that journey. Sources is very important for history. We are explaining the historical incident, the accuracy of time, place and person is maintained. This means when the incident took place, where and by whom, these would be clear. Without these clarities, history becomes a story. Okay, see, observe the difference between story and history. What are different is there in story and history? See, once upon a time, there was a king in a place. He fought a war. Ashok ruled Pataliputra in 261. She fought the Kalinga War. Okay. Next point. Why we want history? Why we want history? ಓಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ? ಸಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟಚ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೈರ್? It burns, doesn't it? This is experience. Will you again touch the fire? No, because you have already experienced the burning sensation, haven't you? We call this as memory, recollection, and retention. What would have happened if humans did not have memory at all? father of history. Who's that? Who is the father of history? Father of history, Herodotus. Who is that? Herodotus. Herodotus is the father, history of father. Okay, understand no? Next, what would have happened if humans did not have memory at all? He would have committed the same mistake again and again. In this case, the progress of human beings is not possible, as human beings need memory to the progress. So a society or a nation need memory to a progress. It is a inevitable, and then what can be issued as memory for a society or nation? That is a history. Understand no? Same. It is a inevitable. The what can be saved as memory for a society or a nation, that is a history. Understand no? What can be issued has a memory for a society or a nation, that is called. Yes, like memory serves human to survey. History serves as a memory for a society, state, nation, and the whole world. History is a record of good and wrong decisions, joyful and sorrowful experience, and the difficulties faced by our ancestors. Besides, it wants the future decision making progress. Okay. Next, the principles, values, and the ideologies are our ancestors in the history will be model and guiding force for their descendants.